So this is the Hands Cafe within the Helping Hand at Upper Sarragoon Road. It's a training bakery for residents to learn a skill in bakery skill. And today they've got chicken pies, mushroom pies, apple pies, chiffon tarts, pandan chiffon cakes, lemon meringue pies. They've all made them during the week, prepared them, everything's baked off fresh today. And we're hoping that we're going to see some lot of people in. The quality of the product's quite good. And they're keen enough to continue on learning, so which makes it even better. So you can come here and join. You come in any day of the week, Monday to Friday, Monday to Saturday, have a cup of coffee and eat some pastries at a very reasonable price. And you support a good cause. Three workers in the bakery. Two of them have done some culinary arts stuff, and they're quite keen to get on. And they're eager to learn, and so it makes it so much easier. This is the second such event you've held, and the quality gets better each time. And they're striving to, a couple will stay on here when they finish their time, as they'll be a live-in resident here to get them, get their self-esteem back probably a little bit better, and then maybe opportunities for jobs in the bakery. So they're all the product very, very good indeed. Quite happy it is.
Okay. Why you came here to support them?
Well, I came here as part of IBC, the church I belong to, IBC at Farrer Road. They were asked if I could set up a bakery. They asked me if I could help them set up a bakery. And I said, yeah, well, I just retired at the time, so I then set up a bakery. And I got industry support from companies like Mockley, ovens, mixers and things like that. So, and this is the fourth year we've been in operation. A couple of years ago, the Rotary Singapore modernised the bakery, air conditioned it, served a lot up. Now we can do laminated pastries and things like that. So we've upped the quality of the product now. And I come maybe once a week just to keep track of what's going on here. And next Friday, we're going to bring somebody to come here. We'll do sokopan, the Japanese pastries. She's going to show them how to do that, so that they will sell that here later on as well. And it's an opportunity for me to just give something back. I mean, I've been very blessed in my lifetime. And the knowledge is no use if I keep it here. Knowledge is only good enough when you share it. And I'm prepared to share what I have.
Baking is not just a science, it's an art, and it's all about the love you put into it.